artistic family to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Glad you guys are here. So what I'm doing here is I have my plastic and I've made my paints fairly fluid. It's really not that big of a deal in terms of consistency like it is in fluid art for this technique, but I would say that it is about a slight mound if you follow me for abstract painting or fluid art. So what I want to do with these two colors is I'm just going to apply them separately, so one on each end, okay, in somewhat of a pattern. It's going to overlap a little bit. And then I'm going to take my plastic. I just reuse what my canvases come in. And I just have a roller, a foam roller. Doesn't matter what roller, it's not going directly over the paint, but that will be something I will be doing in the future. So I have a few ideas for that. But I'm just going to simply go over the top in different directions, really disperse the paint. So this is with the obsidian, and there were few spots that actually got pulled up with the plastic wrap. Perfectly okay. Beautiful impressions that are still left there. And the side with the silver, which was most prominent, turned out beautiful. So like I said, it's somewhat dry to the touch, but it's still a bit tacky. But I'm just gonna take the blow dryer and go over this, and then we're gonna get painting.